Hello dear friends, today we are here with another video to introduce you another great airdrop. Vana is one of the best airdrops which is conducted this year. This airdrop attracted great investors such as Coinbase, Polychain, and Pradim and could gain more than $30 million of wealth in the last few days. Let's see the details of this great airdrop. As you can see in the homepage of this bot, there is a tapping game, so by tapping on this screen, you can earn points. Here at the bottom of the page, there is a timer. Every time the countdown finishes, your earned points will be added to the top, which shows your total balance. And there is no limitation for tapping. You can continue tapping as much as you want. But one of the most important parts of this airdrop is the tasks section. By completing these tasks, you can get a huge amount of points. And the tasks are very simple. For example, here it asks to join this channel or connect your Telegram wallet to this airdrop. So complete the tasks in order to get a huge amount of points. Next, in this tab, you can get your invite link to invite your friends and earn more points. So there is nothing more special in this tab. Let's go to leaderboard tab. Here in the leaderboard tab, it shows top players of this robot. And every week for the top player, it gives a good prize. So as you can see, this week, this user got 324 ton coins as a gift or as a bonus. And in here you can see all the top players of this robot, and the first one shows my rank, which is right now 37,000, and my total balance is 8,167. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope it finds you well, and if you have any question you can ask it in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel.